अबे पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो।
Hello guys, hello students. Today I will start about the chapter, the basic concepts of chemistry, class 11, chapter 1, the first chapters of 11.1, and it is for the beginners. It is very important chapters. The most of the students who passed class 10, they have learned, they know all these things, what we will discuss today. But in spite of all this, having the knowledge, all these things, this chapter is very important for the rest of the class 11 and 12. And this is very important chapters. Not only this, the first 4 chapters is very important for all the students of 11 and 12. This is related. First chapter, second chapter, third and fourth chapters, and also organic chemistry of class 11. It is very important. So, students, today I will discuss about these chapters, the basic concepts of chemistry. What is that? What is chemistry? You know, the matters, states and natures, classifications of matters. Matter is classified according to their physical and chemical properties. I will discuss later. Pure substance mixtures, solid liquid gas, element, वगैरह जो है ना. International systems of units, the measurements, the basic units of measurements, and also mass and weight, what is the relations, and uncertainty in measurement is very important, scientific notation, significant figures, conversions, dimension analysis, laws of chemical combinations, very important. And regarding, there are so many laws are there, very important for the chemistry. That is the basic law, the law of constant conservation of mass, exception equals to mc square, law of definite or constant proportion, law of multiple proportions, and law of also reciprocal proportions is there, Gay-Lussac's law, Avogadro's laws, and some. This is the main basic laws. Besides this, Dalton's atomic theory and the merits, some of the drawbacks of Dalton's atomic theory, all these things you have to go through. It is very important, but this is very important. This basic law, this 5 laws is very important. The numericals comes from this law, okay? And you know this is for your knowledge. You should have to know. You should have to real knowledge this essence. But this is very important for your exam. And this is topic 1 and topic 2 you learned about the atomic mass, gram atomic mass, average atomic mass, molecular mass, gram molecular mass. What is the formula mass, formula unit, mole concept, limiting reagents, percentage compositions, molecular formula, empirical formula, and where Avogadro laws and applications of Avogadro laws. So many applications are there, 5 applications are there, all are not related to you. But 2 things will be important. MQ 2D, I will discuss. So all these things in these chapters you have to go through. And there are some numerical problems regarding all these things, especially mole concept, very important. And moles concept, formula mass, average atomic mass, molecular mass, a relation between them. And all you have learned in class 10 also, ICSE and CBSE students also, but you have to go through. And initially, this is very important, the basic law, conservation law and basic law. The first basic law, 5 basic laws are there. So, I will discuss all these things one by one, which is very important, not so all. Okay, so let's start. And the word which I will discuss. So, on the basis of the classification of matter, on the basis of the physical property and on the basis of the chemical property. On the basis of physical property, matter can be classified 3 types, solid, liquid and gas. Solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. Mainly, There may be another state, but mainly on the basis of physical property. Physical property it will be solid, liquid, gas. Solid क्या होता है? Solid on metals है, copper, SN, wood, all these things are solid things. Liquid, water, kerosene oil, petrol, diesel, all these are liquids. And gas, these are the CO2, H2, O2, these are the gaseous state. And on the basis of the chemical property, matter can be classified into the pure substances and mixtures. Pure substance and mixtures. The pure substance क्या है? It is can be further divided. That is elements and compounds. Elements क्या होता है? It is only one type of atom is there, is the element. Elements also can be classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. Metal, non-metals and metalloids. Metals क्या है? Copper है, iron है, silver है, gold है. All these things are metals. What are non-metals? Chlorine, sulfur, oxygen. Okay, all these are the non-metals. And metalloids, the property of metals and non-metals coexist. Germanium, silicon, Sb, arsenic, all are the non-metals, metalloids. The metalloids, non-metals and metals. On the basis of the element, of one type of atom is there, that is known as the element. Element can be further subdivided, metal, non-metal and metalloids. And pure substance under this compound. In compound, here is one type of atom, here is more than one type of atoms is there. In case of water, more than one type, water, ammonia, glucose, नाइट्रोजन है, ऑक्सीजन है, हाइड्रोजन है, इसमें कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन है ग्लूकोज में. So more than one type of atoms, elements are there. Okay, one type of atoms are there, more than one. There are only one type of atoms. गोल्ड में गोल्ड ही है, आयरन में आयरन ही है. Okay, ऑक्सीजन में ऑक्सीजन ही है. And this can be classified in compounds, organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Okay, it contains carbon, hydrogen must. Okay, and on the basis of the mixtures, the pure substance and mixture, these are two types. On the mixtures is of two types: homogeneous mixtures, heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous means homo means uniformly components. Compositions are uniform. Everywhere the compositions are uniform. A solution, any solution if you take the test of solutions of sugar or syrup or sugar solutions, salt solutions, जब भी नहीं तो हो, or you collect anywhere, any part of the solution, the composition are uniformly distributed. The taste will be same in anywhere. You pick up the solution at anywhere, from anywhere, the taste will be same. That is the uniform compositions. And the components of the mixtures cannot be easily separated. In this case of homogeneous solutions, that is solutions, air, all are the examples of the homogeneous solutions. Heterogeneous solutions, that means non-uniform. कोई ज़्यादा है, कोई कम है. There is non-uniformly compositions. That means, and it is easily separated. Soil and water, the mixture of soil and water, muddy water, can be separated easily. Alloy, blood, the components of blood easily separated. This is the about the classification of matter. The matter क्या हो गया? What is matter? Occupy space. We can see, we can touch, we can feel. That is इंद्रिय गर्जो है. Okay, that is which has mass, which occupy space and have mass, which you can feel by your sense organs. That is the matter. And classification of matter according to basis of physical property, basis of chemical property. हो गया. All this you should have to know something, or in class 9 or 10 also. But again, I am just giving just the highlights, not so details. And also classification of matter on the basis of the physical property, on the basis of that properties only. This is chemical property and physical property. Chemical property, physical property क्या है? That is that the substance can be identified on the basis of their color, on the basis of their smell, on the basis of the melting point, boiling point. These are the property of the physical property. And it is physical property can further be subdivided into qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative and quantitative क्या है? It is different, difficult to separate. In case of qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis, it is easy to separate out. Okay, and chemical on the basis of chemical property, that means it is not easily be, you cannot distinguish easily if you go on by chemical process. That is basicity, acidity, combustibility, all are known as the chemical property of the matter. So this is the just short outlet of matters. These recites all these things of the matter and their properties and their different forms. Okay. Now I am coming some of the important notations and conversions, the measurements, that is basic units of measurements and their symbols. It is very important. Just I am going out, giving outlets. Then I will go details the mainly next video. Today I will giving some of the important thing which you have to know, have to be aware about all these things. Is very important. Measurements. Okay. In our day-to-day lives, we require some units. So length, especially some standard units, also derived units are there. Standard units, length, breadth. That is the international system units, SI units, French units, and in case of units, we know that is number and units we require. So there are the 7 basic or fundamental units we require. 7 basics or fundamental units we require. So right, see their units, SI units, and their name of the SI units and symbol of SI units, and also the basic units name as one is length. Length is the basic unit, mass, time, electric current. This is electric current. Temperature, luminous intensity, amount of substance, and special units are there, plane angles, solid angles, radioactivity, all are also the special second types of units, measurements. See, length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, okay, and amount of substance. These are the 7 basic units. Besides this is also plane angles, solid angles, and also radioactivity. In case of length, we will use the L, mass M, time T, electric current I, you know, temperature T, luminous intensity L, amount of substance N. Okay, and the name of the SI unit, name, the length means meter, length unit का name क्या है meter, mass का kilogram, time का second, current का ampere, all you know, temperature का Kelvin, luminous intensity candela, okay, amount of substance mole, and their symbols are theirs, meter का M, kilogram का kg, second का S, ampere A, Kelvin K, candela CD, mol mole, radian RD, steradian SR, and also this is the radioactivity, Madam Curie, Pierre Curie, all these things. These are the basic units you have to convert. You have to use basic unit for measurements. It will also in class 11 or 9, 10 physics also. So this is very important for your further progress. Now I am also given some also conversions of mole. You will learn in this chapter moles, and you will convert the mole into kilomole, millimole, and decimole. These things, and also some of the things I am discussing. Then I will discuss details. The today's discussion is just mainly on the basics. Only the base on the basics. I am just giving the first video on the basis of the chemistry. It is very important for your future. Next, today I will not discuss about the chapters. Just I am discussing about the basis of the chemistry. Suppose in case you learn about the mole. Suppose you have given the 1 mole equals to what? I am, you know, the Avogadro number 6.023 10 to the power 23, 0.6.022 10 to the 23. That will be another case. I will discuss about the mole, atomic weight, average atomic weight, gram atomic weight, molecular mass, gram molecular mass, and their conversions and their relations. I will discuss next class. Today, what is the thing? The kilomole. 1 kilomole means 10 to the power 3 moles. 1 decimole means 10 to the power -1 mole. 1 centimole 10 to the power minus 2 mole, 1 millimole 10 to the power minus 3 moles. Read it and point it down. It is easy. किलो हेक्टो डेकामीटर डेसी सेंटीमीटर ऐसे ऊपर से नीचे आएगा तो मल्टीप्लाई करो, नीचे हो जाओ तो डिवाइड करो 10 से, एक घर का 10. This is the system. Suppose it is given 1 mole of 1 mole means 6.023 10 to the power sorry 6 point কত আপনার নাম্বার কত 6.022 or 023. You can write 22 or 23 whatever you can. So 1 mole equals to 6.023 into 10 to 23 electrons. So what will be the value of 1 millimole electron? 1 millimole. That means 1 millimole means what? 10 to the minus 3. So 10 to the minus 3 चला गया तो क्या होगा 0.622 10 to the 20 electron. For this conversion you know this. Just I am preparing you. So that in further just next classes there will be no problems. And one thing you have to know. One thing you have to learn, some things, the uncertainty of measurements. Uncertainty of measurements, scientific notations, significant figures, all you know, all you have to learn. Go through the books. So I am telling something, what is uncertainty of measurements? So in chemistry, what you learn? We deal with the experimental value, experimental data, theoretical calculations, and so many things. To get the perfect measurement, we required what? We required certainty. The certain, that is the accurate value, exact value. The exact we cannot, so we require certainty of value. We are not sure that any perfect result. We are not sure about any perfect result or any outcome or anything. So in this case, for the accurate value, we require two main things, which is accuracy and precision. Accuracy and precision. That is the uncertainty measurement. We need accuracy and precision. What is accuracy? Accuracy is the, accuracy क्या है? It is the what? It is the measurement of a particular value to the true value. That is the rearrangement, the reference to the particular value to the true value of the result. That means accuracy equals to measure, that mean value minus true value. Accuracy equals to mean value minus true value. Mean value minus true value. This is the accuracy. And next thing is mean value minus true value. Next thing is precision. What is precision? Precision refers to the closeness of various measurements. Closeness of various measurements. The precision, that is individual value minus actual, the arithmetic mean value. Precision is equal to individual value minus arithmetic mean value. The accuracy gives the certain, that means correctness of value. Accuracy gives the correctness of value. In case of precision, smaller difference will give the greater precision. Smaller difference will give, whatever the difference is, what? The precision means individual value minus arithmetic mean value. Individual value, it is individual value minus arithmetic mean value, that is the precision. Accuracy and precision, this is the main thing. What we know from the accuracy and precision, it involves actually the uncertainty of measurements. And there is one only thing, is scientific notations. What is scientific notation? Scientific notation, the way to represent the very small or very large number, very small or very large numbers, conveniently in the form of n into 10 to the power n, n into 10 to the power n. A forme you have to write. That is the scientific notation. Scientific notation. Scientific notation means you have to express a very large number or small number in these notations. What is n? n का वैल्यू जो होगा, n का वैल्यू होगा 1 to 9.99, 1 থেকে 9.99 n का वैल्यू. और नॉर्मल स्मॉल n क्या है? ए है पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. दैट इज द पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव वैल्यू. ए मे बी पॉजिटिव, मे बी नेगेटिव. The point shift, that means if you want examples, scientific notation, very important thing. Suppose you have to write last thing, suppose 0.00000, whatever may be 0 you can give, okay, anything you can give, anything, and 165. You have to shift the point. You have to shift the point, or write 155 point, whatever give you can 0. Okay, you can write anything. Point ka baad, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 155 point, the 3, 3, 9. Okay, whatever you can, 9, 10, this, whatever you can, 3, 3, 9, 3, 12, 3, 3, 9, 3, 12, 13, 14. If you shift the point out here, if you shift the point out here and if you shift the point out there, because value of n, you have to express out here what? 1.65 into 10 to the power something. 10 to the power something, it will be, it is 155, but n will be what? N will be 1 to 9.999. So it is not the value of n, it is not the value of n. So you have to convert it 1.55 into 10 to the power something. One thing remember, here it will be plus or minus. Here it will be minus. -8 हो, -9 हो, -10 हो, whatever shift, decimal point will be shift, whatever, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 1, that is 7, -7, and out here, this point will be shift, this point out shift or 1, 2. So in that case, this is, you have to find out there 1.55, so the point will shift out where? If it is point out there, it will be shift 11 point position. That means point shift towards left plus. If point shift towards left, okay, and if the points shift towards right, it will be decrease. If the points left towards left, if the point shift towards left, it will increase. If the points will shift towards right, the value will decrease. Okay, so it will be 10 to the 11 or 10 or 9. It will be positive, it will be negative. It is decrease, it is increase. Okay, a number is given 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 155. What is the scientific notation of this number? Yes, or 155 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, 0.00. Okay, what is the scientific notation for these two numbers? Here the point will shift because this is the 1 to 9.99 n का वैल्यू, you have to n into 10 to the power n, तो n into होगा मीन्स पॉइंट यहाँ पर जाएगा 1.55 into 10 to the power, पॉइंट यहाँ पर है तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 to the power minus 10. That means if the point shifts from left to right, the value will decrease. The point will shift from left to right. From left to right, the point will decrease. Clear? Decrease. And if the point will shift from right to left, then here it will left, it will increase. Value will be increased. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11. That means it is 1.55 10 to the power 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? So this is the notation. You express this number, great large numbers, and this is small numbers. The small number and large number is being expressed by the scientific notation. This into this, this into this. Point shifted from here and shifted from this to there. Left to right, decrease. Right to left, increase. So this is some of the basic things I have discussed today's video. This is very nominal things. तुम्हारे लिए जो स्टूडेंट्स बहुत पोर है उसके लिए ये वीडियो हम बनाया. So one request to my dear students, so please subscribe it, share it, must comment it. কেমন লাগলো এটা কমেন্ট করে you should have to tell how it is. Then I will give some exceptional. So here I draw my ends. Today, goodbye.